happening to me?
You'll never escape, Team J.
This way.
Knew this was a trap. Why would a mysterious stranger give us free tickets to a maze of mirrors?
Some people are just nice.
It doesn't matter which way you go. Every path leads you closer to me.
Hey! Wait up! Looking good, Duke.
Aye, Duke! Why are you taking a selfie? We have to escape.
At least I can do more than one thing at once. You can't even watch where you're running.
And you can only watch your own reflection.
Meana.
Jay.
Oh, hey, Petunia.
Hi, Jay. You're right on time. Behold my mirror.
What, something in my teeth?
This is my magic mirror. 7 months pocket money and totally worth it. When I press this button, whoever the mirrors are pointing at will swap bodies. You will be my show-jumping horse right after I zap Petunia's obedient brain into your perfect body. Say what now? Check this barcode face.
Stop!
Whirlwind strike. No!
Fitness freak?
Cheddar ball!
What's that? Some kind of selfie stick.
What's happening? Ah!
Cami!
Duke!
My mirror!
You're okay.
Not even close.
Duke? What happened to your voice?
I'm Cami. That's Duke.
Hi, Jay.
Hurry up, Petunia! Hurry up! I'm fixing this mirror and coming back for you, Jay.
You gotta help me, Jay. I'm stuck in this fitness freak's body. All it wants to do is move.
I need a nap. All this body wants to do is sleep and eat and... look in the mirror.
Let's get you back in the right bodies. Your voices are freaking me out.
I don't like being so low on the ground.
Well, I don't like this head.
Here's the tape. Quick, fix the mirror. First of all, I've got hooves. Fine! I'll do everything myself.
Our time is short. The mean girl is fixing her mirror of magic.
Then we need to get in there now. It's team time.
Hand, paw,
Hoof. Nothing's happening.
I've got it! Cami and Duke are in the wrong bodies, so maybe they need to swap places. Gotcha!
hand, paw, move. Go, TJ!
Okay then, not what I had expected.
Come on, let's use it to get over the wall.
Wait, watch out for the...
Meana mine. Go! Ow!
Cacti.
Get out of my cactuses. They're very precious. They remind me of my mother. Prickly.
Hey, Jay! Catch them in this!
Time to take out the trash.
Really?
No!
What's going on? Why do I smell so good?
Ew-wee. What's that smell? I've done it! The perfect obedient mind inside the perfect show-jumping body. I'm going to win every trophy in the land.
Hey, Duke! I've got your skills, and you've got mine. Let's use them.
I like the way you think. Brace yourself. Yeah!
Wushu! Catch! I have it.
Whoa! Is everyone back to normal?
Yes!
Yes!
Thanks, Jay.
Great. Now, who's going for pizza?
Cami, I just want to say I rock. And so do you. High five.
Meana? Well, don't just stand there. Get some plant food and turn me towards the light.
Now, you will never be a Sky Warrior. No!
Getting closer every time, Wushu.
You look ridiculous. Ridiculously cool.
I am a disgrace to the Order of Sky Warriors.
The Sky Warriors?
I have invented my own martial art, and yet I cannot complete my own challenges.
I know I could be a Sky Warrior. Hoo-ah! Yeah! What's a Sky Warrior again?
We fly through the skies, heroically defending the helpless.
Heroic helpers! Can I be on the team?
I'm heroic. Pick me! Pick me!
A true master must face their challenge alone.
Hold on, Wushu. How about you practice for your challenges by training us?
The way of the Sky Warrior is hard. She must...
Oh, yeah!
I'm excited.
Team hug!
Life is about balance.
I'll do duck lips and you just be yourself.
Whoa! Ooh.
Stop! It will be impossible to train you in the ways of the Sky Warrior. You are all so
Cool?
Good looking?
undisciplined. Ugh.
Hey, Matteo. I think Wushu is a bit upset.
Huh, you don't say. Hey, Wushu, we're not perfect, but we have good hearts. I think your training is exactly what we need.
A Sky Warrior helps all people. Very well. Let the training begin! A Sky Warrior shows discipline. I can hear you, Jay.
Surprise!
A Sky Warrior is as silent as the shadows.
Oh,
I need the energy.
A Sky Warrior shows patience.
Can't quite. Whoa, that was really cool.
These Velcro gloves are one of my most brilliant inventions!
A Sky Warrior finds true strength within.
Yeah.
Now, we must compete in the ultimate test. Only one of us can win a hero's glory as the first Sky Warrior.
Are there any rules for the obstacle course?
Go fast. Go alone. Go now!
Thanks for the hand up. I'm gonna win.
got him!
And the crowds go wild as Cami prepares to grind her competition mercilessly into the dust.
Too slow! Ah!
This is not what I had in mind.
Well, things can't get any worse. It's worse.
Team J! Helpless! Just the way I like you!
Oh, we can pluck the zebra off the wall like a fat plum.
Who are you calling fat? Whoa!
Oh, this is all my fault. I failed as a Sky Warrior, and now as a teacher too.
Wushu, all you did was get us to challenge ourselves. But working alone is not the answer. So let's remember, when are we strongest?
After a nice snack?
When we work together. It's team time!
Hand, paw, move! Go, Team J!
Release the claw!
Everyone, climb a rope! Thanks, Duke!
Here, Cami!
Gotcha!
Now, everybody, swing!
I'll unravel this team like my granny's knitting! Oh, they're moving too fast!
Just grab the donkey. He's right there.
Now, team, jump!
Hey! What's up, my fine flying friend?
I drove our team apart by making us think only of ourselves. All for my own ambition of being a Grand Master.
Maybe this is the final lesson of your training.
Sky Warriors help, but they also need help.
Oh yeah, we're all Sky Warriors now.
We don't need to be Sky Warriors. Huh? There's a name that suits us even better. Team J! Row for your life!
Duck lips for sailing selfie.
Duke, get paddling.
Row together, everyone. Wushu, you call.
Row! 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 Row!
A whirlpool in the pond? That makes no sense.
I tell you what does make sense. You're so unfit because you're always on your phone.
I'm not unfit.
My weather-changing machine really works. Hashtag best purchase of the day.
Duke!
That's no way to stay fit.
I promise I'll play football with you, tomorrow.
You said that yesterday.
And the day before yesterday.
Okay, I'm on it. But first, fitness selfie. What the?
What's going on?
Hey!
You know it's just following you, right?
This is impossible!
Now to capture that stripy horse and make him my show-jumping, prize-winning pony.
That was freaky weather.
Seems to be back to normal now. Or not.
There's no escape for you, Jay! Got you!
Matteo! You're gonna get me out of here!
I'm working on it! The wind's too strong! Don't worry, Jay! We'll rescue you! We need to get rid of that tornado.
Why don't you just suck it up into this?
Don't be absurd.
Ridiculous rodent.
Actually, that's a great idea.
It is? I knew that.
If we can generate enough mechanical energy to make it super powerful.
But how?
With that, spin the wheel fast enough and we can supercharge the vacuum.
But who's gonna spin the wheel? All right, I'll do it. But first, I gotta get fit. Ow!
Push! Just a little more. Okay, 1!
I'm ready! Hit me!
Keep going! You can do it! Approaching maximum charge, Phil! We're supercharged!
You did well, little hamster.
Now let's go and rescue Jay!
You're going to be my new show-jumping pony.
No, I am not. And by the way, I'm a zebra.
Whatever.
Enough of your twisted plans, Meana!
Look, you brought a little vacuum to a tornado party.
It's a hamster-powered supercharged vacuum cleaner.
Watch this.
No! My tornado! Try and suck up my giant twister, suckers.
I think we need your help on this one, Jay.
It's team time.
Handball! Who? Go TJ!
Oh, what now?
We'll get you inside the twister, then run in the opposite direction to its spin and slow it down.
Game on!
Hey-ya!
It's working!
We did it!
Stupid machine! Stupid weather! Stupid pony!
For the last time, I am a zebra. I'm proud of you, Duke. You had to really step up today. And, Duke...
I gotta exercise my selfie-taking muscles, too.